Hey everyone, we're here in Orlando for a little family trip. And we're at the Embassy Suites right now, and we're gonna go to EPCOT tomorrow, and then Animal Kingdom on the next day.
On Friday.
Friday, I was about to say Sunday. But tonight, gonna hang out, go to Splitsville for some bowling, and hear the kids having a good time. Emma, are you gonna go in that pool? Okay, so the adventure begins. We're trying to get in our hotel room. We've gotten 2 sets of keys now. Can't get in. The door doesn't work. So every time we got new keys, it doesn't work. So they're coming out to see if they can get it to work. So for right now, we're just hanging outside. Jake, what do you think of the situation?
It's bad. It's bad. It's bad.
How's the room? Okay, we finally got into the room. Had to jimmy it under the door and up through, and now we're in here, and it's okay. No, Lily. No, no, no. What are we going to do, guys? Excited? Yeah, girl. What are we doing?
We're going bowling.
Are you gonna win?
Yeah.
I think it's going down. What do you think? Kristen, you ready to bowl? It'll be fun, right?
I already have my own ball.
Yeah. Just getting warmed up. Just getting warmed up. This does not look like bowling.
We're still waiting for it.
I know, I'm joking. That's about to get real crazy. Okay. Oh, Phil. Good job. Woo. That was a nice move, girlie. Oh, it's perfect, Emma. Okay. All right, Jake. Let's see it.
Let's see if I get a straight this time.
I had to get the cool action shot. No way, dude. Oh. Ooh. With the crazy style. Okay, it's little buddy's turn. Dude. We will. Now you gotta pick up that spare. All right, let's see it, Tristan. Dude, that was good. Oh, Phil. Phil, what's it doing? Oh, so close. Good job, Tristan. Come. Oh my God. Oh, babe. Watch out, Phil.
Today at night, look at this bright light. I sit in the middle today, so yeah. Bye.
Jake, what are you most excited for?
Rides.
Which one?
I don't know.
I got her. She's right here. What are you most excited for?
Test track.
Okay. It's a good choice.
Yeah, because it goes super fast and it's like the best ride in the world at EPCOT because EPCOT's usually Disney, so like it's really fun here. Look at that big ball, guys. And guys, do you wanna know something about that ball? That's a ride. Like it's a space ride, and you go on the space ride, and like it's what? And like there's so much dragonflies up there, but I see one up there, and my mom is right there with my brother Philip and Jake has a bracelet on.
What do you think?
You're not filming?
No, I'm not. Maybe I am.
Oh no.
Watch this. Now move.
I know.
Oh, it's watching Tristan. So if he moves, it will follow him now.
Oh, that's crazy. What does that mean?
I have to change this treasure. Okay. I'm going to follow you.
It's
Oh, it follows your mom instead.
heck going on?
Excited?
No, turn back.
I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna put it down for you, okay? Are you gonna fly to space?
But is it fast?
I don't think so. I don't know. We'll see. We have to go to space, so it might be a little fast. Uh-oh, here goes.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a spectacular mission around the Earth. Activate manual control.
Okay, here goes.
Loading flight plan.
Here we go, Phil. You ready?
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate the flight
Are you
cameras
scared?
when we reach altitude.
No.
You will also extend the wing.
Who's scared? Is anybody scared?
Nope. Nope.
No.
You're just crazy.
I heard Grandpa screaming.
I was loving because I didn't know Grandpa was not screaming.
I know.
Yes, he was. I didn't know what to do. But it was so fun.
You guys want to go see this stuff? Want to go see this stuff?
Yeah.
Emma, switch with Phil. Yeah,
I make the apple.
that's crazy. Lily! Babe.
Có lỗi vậy đấy không có hả? No. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? That's it!
The exit is right there.
This is the most beautiful woman in the world. With the cutest baby in the world right now. Oh my god. Lily, wave. Perfect. Okay, get in. We got our own dyno to ourselves. You like this, Lily? Yeah. ready, Phil? You aiming it? Aim it at that shoot here part. Leading you, Phil. Aim it, Phil. Billy, aim it. Aim it, Phil. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Keep going. You won, Phil.
Well, here on the left-hand side, right up at the top of the hill, there is a saddle-billed stork. Very tall bird species, which can stand 5 foot tall with a wingspan of 9 feet wide once fully developed. All the way up to 500 pounds. Not just one sitting, they can consume up to half of their body weight, so anywhere up to about 250 pounds of meat all at once. There's just enough water to carry the truth through its 9-month dry season. Subsequently attracting larger animals like elephants, tori, who can use their tusks to break holes in that tree and drink water right out of it. Out in the savannah, there's also some springbucks hiding in the far back. Springbuck are one of these smaller antelope species, only grown up to about 3 foot tall. Very impressively, they can jump twice their height and up to 6 feet high. They get the spring part of their name from their ability to spring themselves 13 feet forward, and they're one of the fastest animals on land, falling just behind cheetahs, being able to reach top speed of 56 miles per hour. We're coming across some African painted dogs here on the left-hand side. And zebras usually live amongst a larger group, and it is known as a dazzle. You can see just how large their horns grow, up to 4 feet long, spanning the radius of 4 to 6 feet from tip to tip. Inside of those horns, they hold a honeycomb-like structure, which they use to pump their blood through. As the wind comes into contact with their horns, it can ultimately cool their blood temperature down by 10 degrees. We are starting to make our way up toward a very large species, though. They are the Maasai giraffe. Again, my friends, we are going to want to keep our volumes down, especially when we're this close to the animals. We do not want to disturb them. Males will significantly outweigh the females, averaging out at about 14,000 pounds, while females average at about 10.
Hey, is it raining? This video. Come on, babe. Are you surprised?
That looks ridiculous.
They look beautiful as always.